Hey, how you doing? So today's project, we're working on an awesome little mini. It's a Squig Hog Boy from the Warhammer 40k Orks box set, or the Beast Snagga box set. But there are a few things you need to be aware of when you're putting it together and getting it ready to paint. So let's take a look. Okay, so all in all, this model goes together really nicely. You can add some variation in here really easily, as you get 3 models within a squad, and you can swap out the riders and the saddle grots, the little Gretchen on the back, really easily. You can also swap the heads of the Squig Hogs around really easily. Even in the ones that they're designed to go on, it can get some gappage. All you need to do is fill it. Fill it with some model filler or some putty, and jobs are good. As you can see on this one, I have filled all the gaps in. Sanded it down, and that's all good to go. I've also repositioned the shoulder on this guy. It caused some gaps, so I just filled it in and sanded it down. One thing you can do on this is this whole model, as you can see here, is fixed in position through that one wheel at the back. Now what I found was, as I wanted this guy kind of rearing up, like doing a wheelie type thing, the joint didn't like it very much. So what I've done, as you can see here, just drilled a 1mm hole with a twist drill, and just threaded a piece of 1mm wire through there, snipped it off, and that acts as a bit more support and stability for that joint. And once it's painted up, you won't really be able to see it. One thing to be aware of though is that these Squig Hogs are very low to the ground, so the next batch of these I'll make, I will probably do them in sub-assemblies. So if I bring this other one in here, as you can see, it's quite low to the ground, and I know some people have had difficulty getting the paintbrushes in there to try and get a decent paint job around the belly of the squig, because there's not a lot of room to get the brush in there. So yeah, you can easily fix this just by doing it in sub-assemblies, at least getting the base colours down before then putting it on its base. Now the next phase is going to be painting the Squig Hog itself, which is going to be more challenging than you might first think. But I'll be tackling that in this video, and I'll see you there.